Oh, oh, something big. What's going on, y'all? Thanks for clicking on the video. Today, we're doing some fishing. We are going to be targeting some crappie. Hopefully we get on them and we have a good time doing it. So let's get started. Now I know for a fact area that I want to be headed in is that way. That's where my neighbor is fishing. That's where we're gonna go. While we do that, while we float on over, let's go ahead and grab our rod. It's right here. Let's do it without dropping it in the water. Oh no, we're already hooked up in the net. This is cool. Ouch, already hooked himself. Cool. Bring me the net. Finally. Wow. What a pain in the butt that was. Alright. Ooh. Oh, fish on. I think so. Yep, I got something. It's the tiniest little bluegill. All right, no skunk. Look at that little guy. Whoa. They're gonna. Wow, he's got so much green in him. They're pale and cold. There he goes. That was such a light bite. I thought it was snagged. All right, let's back up again. There's more fish in there too. All right, that's not what we're after. Let's get a crappie. Oh, snap. Am I snagged? Or is this a fish? That's a snag, right? If it's a fish, it's huge. It's coming up, whatever it is. What am I snagged on 20 feet down? Oh, if it's a fish, it's a freaking tank. I'm 99% sure I'm snagged. Yo, I don't know what I'm snagged on. I don't know if it's my second jig or my first jig. Darn it. There we go. We're off. Whatever it was, it's gone now. Hopefully it was on the second jig, not the first jig. I mean the first jig, not the second jig. Oh, not even. Didn't even lose it. Came back with both. Well, that was fun. Now that we went for a ride, I'm just gonna hug this thing. I'm just gonna drop him down right here. Oh, something big. What is it? Oh, this is a nice bluegill. Yes. took a long time, but my goodness. What a freaking toad of a bluegill. Not what we were looking for. Still no crappie, but hey, it's a fish. Oh gosh. 2 freaking hours later. Look at that one. Bigger than the first one we got today. Yep. Alright. Alright, 2 fish. Let's get ourselves all fixed now, because we're all kinds of tangled up. That's the one thing about being in a kayak that I'm still not used to, is when your stuff gets tangled down, you can't just put it anywhere, because then your rod's in the water. But we're gonna try again. That was nice. That was a good one. Let's try this again. Dude, we worked for that fish, man. And that was on a bad cast. I didn't even mean to throw where I threw it. First impressions on this traveler rod, it's nice. I need to get some more fish in it and get some more hits to see how sensitive it actually is. It is like a 4-piece rod, but overall I'm happy with it. All right, 2 fish, happy with it there. See you guys on the next one.